Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today, we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams. On the left, we have the 70mm Dash Cam M300, and on the right, we have the Cosuvow Dash Cam 4K front dash camera for cars. Get ready for some serious comparison action.
Let's kick things off with the most important factor: video quality.
The 70mm Dash Cam M300 boasts a stunning 1296p QHD resolution, capturing every detail of the road with crystal clarity.
Now let's talk about the extra features that make these dash cams stand out from the crowd. The 70mm Dash Cam M300 comes equipped with parking monitoring and a built-in G sensor.
And here's the cherry on top. The 70mm Dash Cam M300 offers time-lapse recording.
It compresses hours of footage into minutes, making it a breeze to review long surveillance videos. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: the price.
The 70mm Dash Cam M300 comes in at an affordable $59.
But wait, the Cosuvow Dash Cam 4K is also priced at $59.
It's like getting a Hollywood-quality dash cam without breaking the bank. The 70mm Dash Cam M300 and the Cosuvow Dash Cam 4K are both fantastic choices, but it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences.
Remember, always buy smart and make informed decisions.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting comparisons on Buy Smart. See you next time.